everybody, it's Mrs. Albert. I hope everybody had a great day and I hope that you understood everything. If you have any questions, you can always email me or text me or call me. But now we're gonna go over our history lesson for the day, which was page 11 in your activity manuals, your workbooks for Heritage Studies. So this lesson is called Places on the Globe, and it's about the equator, the North Pole, and the South Pole. So what we're gonna go over is how to identify all these things on a globe. So as you know, the shape of the world is a circle, which I hope you do because you took a quiz on that yesterday or the day before. Looking at page 11, we see a compass rose at the bottom of page 11. It says north, south, east, and west. All right, so we're gonna use that to help us fill out the rest of this worksheet. So the top of this worksheet reads, the top of the globe is called the North Pole and the bottom of the globe is called the South Pole. The equator is the line around the widest part of the globe. So the equator is this imaginary line that doesn't really show up on real Earth, but it separates the North Pole from the South Pole. So we're gonna follow the directions. They're numbered 1 through 6. We're gonna follow those directions. So the first direction says trace a red line along the equator. I'm looking at the sheet too. But we're gonna trace the line around the Earth, the equator. We're gonna trace it in red. So go ahead and take out a red crayon or a red pencil or whatever you have, a red marker, and go ahead and trace this red line right around here. And it's a dotted line on your globe on your page 11. So go ahead and do that. All right, number 2 says color the continent north of the equator green. So if you look at your compass rose in the bottom left of your sheet, you'll see that north means up. So we're going to color all the continents that are above the equator, we're gonna color them green. So go ahead, take out a crayon, and you're gonna color, you're gonna color all the continents north of the equator. We're gonna color them green. So all of these up here, I color them green. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do, number 3, is we're gonna color the continent that the equator runs through. We're gonna color that orange. So if you see here, the equator is running through this continent, which is South America, and I hope you got that right. It's South America. So we're gonna color this continent orange, the whole continent. We're gonna color it orange. All right, number 4, color the North Pole purple. So the North Pole is north of the equator, and it's right here. There's the North Pole right there, because it's north of the equator. So we're gonna color that purple. The South Pole, we're gonna color that red. That's number 5. We're gonna color the South Pole red. So down here, the pole on the bottom is gonna be red because south means down. All right, and the next part is pretty easy. You're just gonna color the oceans blue. Now the oceans is anything that's not in the black lining. That's everything else. So you can go ahead and color that blue. So I hope this video helped. I hope that you learned a lot today. It's my goal for you to learn a lot, even though you guys are at home. So just, again, contact me if you have any questions. Parents, I'm always available. You know that. Thank you.